Let's talk software quality. It's a big deal, right? We rely on software for everything these days, from banking to entertainment, it's everywhere. But how do we ensure that software is actually good? That's where ISO 9126 comes in. ISO 9126 is an international standard that provides a framework for evaluating software quality. Think of it as a checklist for software excellence. This standard helps developers build better software by giving them a clear understanding of what makes software high quality. It focuses on 6 key characteristics: functionality, reliability, usability, efficiency, maintainability, and portability. Each characteristic plays a crucial role in overall software quality. Understanding these characteristics is key to building great software. In the following sections, we'll delve into each characteristic, explore their importance, and how they impact software development. We'll also use relatable examples to illustrate these concepts, so buckle up as we journey into the world of software quality with ISO 9126. Functionality is the heart of any software. It refers to the software's ability to perform its intended tasks. Does it do what it's supposed to do? And does it do it accurately and completely? That's what functionality is all about. Imagine a calculator app. Its functionality is its ability to perform basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The app should execute these functions flawlessly. If it can't do these basic things, it fails in terms of functionality. Functionality also encompasses features and capabilities. Think of a music streaming app. Its functionality includes features like creating playlists, downloading songs, and sharing music with friends. The more robust and well-executed these features are, the better the app's functionality. In short, functionality is all about ensuring the software meets its core objectives. It's about delivering on the basic promises of the software. Without solid functionality, all other aspects of quality become irrelevant. After all, what good is a beautiful, user-friendly app if it can't perform its basic functions? Reliability is the backbone of software quality. It refers to the software's ability to perform consistently over time. Can we rely on it to work as expected every time we use it? That's the essence of reliability. Think about a banking app. Reliability is paramount. You need to know that you can access your account and make transactions without glitches or errors. A reliable banking app instills trust and confidence in users. Reliability is also about handling errors gracefully. Software should be able to recover from failures without losing data. It should be able to handle unexpected events without crashing. This robustness is key to building reliable software. In a nutshell, reliability is about building trust with users. It's about delivering a consistent and dependable experience. When software is reliable, users feel confident and secure. They know they can count on it to work as expected, time and time again. Usability is all about the user experience. It refers to how easy it is to use and understand the software. Is it intuitive? Is it easy to navigate? Can users accomplish their goals efficiently? These are the questions that usability seeks to answer. Imagine a website with a confusing layout and cluttered navigation. Users would struggle to find the information they need. This would lead to frustration and a poor user experience. On the other hand, a well-designed website with clear navigation and intuitive design would be a joy to use. Usability is crucial for any software, but it's especially important for apps and websites with a large user base. If the software is difficult to use, people will simply stop using it. There are plenty of other options available. In essence, usability is about putting the user first. It's about designing software that is accessible, understandable, and enjoyable to use. When software is usable, it enhances user satisfaction and promotes engagement. Section 5. Efficiency. Is it a resource hog? Efficiency is about making the most of resources. It refers to the software's ability to perform its tasks without consuming excessive resources like memory, processing power, or network bandwidth. In other words, it's about being lean and mean. Think of a video editing software. It needs to be efficient to handle large video files and complex editing tasks. If it's a resource hog, it will slow down the computer, leading to lag and frustration for the user. Efficiency is also about speed. Software should respond quickly to user inputs and complete tasks in a timely manner. No one likes to wait for a slow app or website. In a nutshell, Efficiency is about optimizing software performance. It's about striking a balance between functionality and resource consumption. Efficient software runs smoothly, uses resources wisely, and provides a seamless user experience. Section 6. Maintainability. Can we keep it running smoothly? Maintainability refers to how easily the software can be modified, updated, and repaired. Can developers easily fix bugs, add new features, and adapt the software to changing requirements? That's what maintainability is all about. Imagine a large software system with millions of lines of code. If the code is poorly written and poorly documented, it will be a nightmare to maintain. Finding and fixing bugs will be like searching for a needle in a haystack. Maintainability is crucial for the long-term health of software. Software that is easy to maintain can be readily adapted to new technologies, evolving user needs, and changing market demands. This flexibility is essential for software to remain relevant and competitive. In essence, maintainability is about future-proofing the software. It's about writing clean, modular code that is easy to understand and modify. Maintainable software is adaptable, scalable, and ready for the future. Section 7. Portability. Can it move with the times? Portability refers to the software's ability to function seamlessly across different environments. Can it run on different operating systems, devices, or browsers? Can it be easily adapted to different languages and regions? That's what portability is all about. Think of a mobile app. A highly portable app would run smoothly on both Android and iOS devices. It would adjust to different screen sizes and resolutions without any issues. This cross-platform compatibility is a hallmark of portable software. Portability is becoming increasingly important in today's interconnected world. With the proliferation of devices and platforms, software needs to be adaptable and versatile. It needs to reach users wherever they are, on whatever device they are using. In essence, portability is about breaking down barriers. It's about making software accessible to a wider audience by ensuring it can run on a variety of platforms and environments. Portable software is adaptable, versatile, and ready for the global stage. Section 8. Conclusion. The enduring impact of ISO 9126. The ISO 9126 model provides a comprehensive framework for understanding and achieving software quality. By focusing on the 6 key characteristics: functionality, reliability, usability, efficiency, maintainability, and portability, developers can build software that meets the highest standards of excellence. This model has had a profound impact on the software industry. It has helped to shift the focus from simply building software to building high-quality software. This has led to improved user experiences, increased customer satisfaction, and a more robust and reliable software ecosystem. The principles of ISO 9126 are as relevant today as they were when the standard was first introduced. As software continues to play an increasingly central role in our lives, the need for quality, reliability, and usability will only become more important. By embracing the principles of ISO 9126, developers can ensure that the software they build is of the highest quality, meeting the needs of users both today and in the future.